there really truly is a health crisis in New York City. The primary culprit is the obesity epidemic. Statistically, this may be the first generation that doesn't outlive the generation that came before them, and that's really alarming.
Nationally, childhood obesity is a major challenge, and right here in New York City, 40% of our young people are overweight.
Kids that are growing up in low-income neighborhoods are really dealing with a plethora of barriers to good health. Unsafe streets, lack of recreational opportunities, lack of access to healthy foods, and they all add up.
When it comes to weight and obesity with young people, it tends to lead down a path of being an obese or overweight adult, and that's associated with many health issues: asthma, depression,
diabetes, high cholesterol, heart disease, and even some cancers.
And it's so important to help young people develop healthy habits early on so they can curb those health issues right at the start.
Health and physical education was invented by the New York City YMCA at the turn of the last century. So we've had a lifelong commitment to keeping people healthy.
We are serving communities where the need is greatest. So we've created the YMVP program, which is really not just about being most valuable player. It's about helping them increase their levels of moderate to vigorous physical activity. What I'm most excited about YMVP is that it uses gamification to help get them off the couch. So there's this very dynamic app that interacts with a small class led by a trained coach, and then they earn digital badges. They unlock different incentives like t-shirts and water bottles that help and support their continued workout.
I do have teens that come in and have a specific goal, and the YMVP program works for them because it's specifically tailored for them, and it encourages them to develop a routine coming on their own. Teens are very tech savvy. They're always looking for the next app. They love logging in, checking their progress, keeping track of their progress.
We know that if young people can be physically active about 60 minutes a day, that's going to really help them lead a healthier life now and down the road.
Since the start of the YMVP program, I've seen one of our participants. I've never seen him in the building before. He's come in here with so much ferocity. He comes in with a plan. He has a specific guy. Like, I'm going into the cardio. I have to do my 20 minutes. He's actually teaching his mom how to exercise and correcting her form and technique.
As we've launched YMVP, we've done some formative evaluation, and what we're excited about is that young people seem to be very interested in the program. They're happy to be working with the trained coach. They love the digital badges.
We've got it started up in several of our Ys, and we plan to expand it to all of the YMCAs in New York City in the next year.